Hi, everybody. The cancellation of plus two CBSE board exams, keeping in mind the pandemic situation and also the safety of students, is to be appreciated. But what is going to happen in long term? How it is going to impact the students' future? When we think about this, one thing comes into our mind, that is how the admissions are going to happen in the colleges, based on what criteria. Because only the CBSE has announced the cancellation. And if some states conduct the board exam, what will happen during the admission process in the All India? Some students will be coming with the board exam marks, and some will be coming with the pre-performance marks or the evaluation which the schools are going to do. So normalization is going to be a big question mark. And one more thing is, the students, sometimes they may not have performed during the course of work, and finally the last moment when they write the exams, they prepare well and write exams. So those students may not be able to score well with their pre-performance marks also. There are a lot of things which has to be considered. So the transparency is very much required when it comes to the evaluation of marks for those students. And until this evaluation process is completed, there should not be any UG admissions happening throughout India, including the deemed universities. And there should be a proper methodology that should be used in order to have that performance criteria, how they are going to give them evaluation of marks. So that is a big question mark and fear in every student mind. So this needs a proper solution. So we are waiting for the government, how they are going to give the evaluation procedure. Other thing is, as we are all technologically, we are growing, digitally we are strong. So why not we think of conducting an online examination for plus two board exam? Why should we cancel? So that is one big question mark in my mind. And I think where there is a will, there is a way, and we can find a way to conduct an online board exam so that all these problems can be avoided. There will be a common methodology for admissions. Let us wait and see what's going to happen. Stay blessed.